What's up, friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you step by step how you can add your money on e&money account. You can add it, guys, this money through your bank transfer and through your Apple Pay and through credit card and physical card. This is the three, guys, option you can add through your money. So, guys, scroll down, access your bank account and save your e&money IBAN and onto your transfer from your bank and receive a notification to receive your money. Just follow on the screen, click add money here, select your method, IBAN, for example, and write your details. Just follow this simple animation, guys, to add your money your account easily without any problem. So friends, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon, guys. Until you click add money and then choose this one, your IBAN or your Apple Pay, and then click all these details, friends, as I say on the screen. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Keep watching. This is all details, guys, account to transfer your funds bank account to your e&money